Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer up the middle and I'll be using Maniology Cozy and Beauty Big Bang Dot Lines XL-001. I've already applied Nailtiques Formula 2 to my nails and here is bases loaded lacquer up the middle. All those flakies. I'm a flaky junkie. I can't help it. It goes orange, green, purple. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So here we go with our first coat. And it's going to be a little sheer on this first coat, but I do relatively thin coats. You guys that have been with me a while know that I'm kind of stingy with the polish, so I do pretty thin coats. Getting that on there though. We're going to cap that free edge. Y'all can see my thumbnail is way shorter than the rest of my nails. Both of my thumbnails are like this right now. Kind of driving me nuts. And hi, Woody, how you doing? Getting out here and taking care of my mess. It's kind of looking a little olivey, bronzy looking right now. Ooh, gotta break out the cleanup brush too. Look at her. She's so crazy. And here we go with our second coat. Up the middle. You guys, this polish is just making me so happy. So nice. Beautiful formula. I'm going to cap that free edge again. I like to do that if it's got anything like, any glitters or anything in the polish because, I don't want anything sticking off the end. Here we go. Going to get that cleanup brush back out here. Ta-da! And here we go. We are going to go in with the third coat just because I can. I typically only do 2, but since I did thin, I'm going with 3. I'm going to top that with I&M's Out the Door. And I'm telling you, I could have wore this one just like this, no nail art, for days. It's just that good of a polish. I mean, it's just so much fun to look at all on its own. But you guys know I'm a junkie, so I can't help myself. I'm going to put some stamps on it. I've kept that free edge with the top coat. And I've got a couple of swatch photos because it flashes different colors. There it is, kind of in the greeny look, and then kind of the purpley look. Beauty Big Bang Dot Lines XL-001. I would have called this like the rope knots or something like that. Dot lines, I don't know. I'm going to clean it with some acetone after getting that blue film off of it. And my stamping plate has a boo-boo on it, so it doesn't say dot lines. It's just like, it says Beauty Big Bang, XL, and then you can't read it. Can't read the dot line part. But it's okay. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. And here we go with Maniology. And this is Cozy, if it would get in focus. Just a really nice kind of bronzy, goldy polish. Or like antique gold, I guess. Something like that. But I'm going to pull different images from all over this plate. Since it's new, I want to try out more than one image. That, and I don't care if my nails aren't matchy-matchy. That one's kind of got like a heart in it. Really cool. I'm going to slide the plate over. I'm going to go after this other heart. Because we can, and we do. But I really like this plate. I've got other plates that have an image here or there, but this whole plate was nothing but ropes and knots, and I had to have it. Well, it's got like a boat steering wheel, but whatever. It's all nautical. That would have been a great name for this plate, nautical. Nautical knots. All right, so I've got the polish already on my image. Trying to get it in frame, and this one's shaped like a bow. Couldn't resist that one. How cute. Like looking at it to make sure I like it. And ta-da! On that pinky nail it goes. Oh, I missed doing the anchor. For some reason my camera like bugged out, but I did put an anchor on my ring fingernail, kind of like as my accent nail. All the other ones were like ropes and stuff. But I had to put the anchor on my ring fingernail for something different. So I'm cleaning my plate off with some acetone. Gonna get all my business cleaned up here before we carry on. It doesn't take but a minute to do it, so why not? Alright, so we're going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of the skinnage. And we're going to go in with the cleanup brush. Very minor cleanup here today. Get that all done. I am going to top this one with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Isn't that anchor cute? I love it. And once that's dry, I'm going to be covering everything up with some Poshe top coat. I'm going to seal it all in, glossy it all up, and, you know, call this one finished. We have hit the finish line on this here manicure. Again, I have 2 swatch photos coming up. Going to show you the different colors. There's the green version, and then the more purpley version. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.